This is Nsukka Enugu Expressway. As you can see, we are in a good slope. The depth of this place is about 7 feet. You can see it now. We are here since yesterday. You know, say our organ they believe person, you know they trust person. Unless you do like this, send that for them. Our own feel believe if it's Sam. He go no say true, but he go to tell you say what you they talking no understand them. Just look at where human being carry motor they pass. So now be this so. My caterpillar is supposed to pass this kind of place. But see now human being motor. Sir. Look at how many feet here? This is about 8 feet. This place reach 8 feet or 10 feet. 10 feet. No, at least make it not be like say I lie. You don't almost finish this tanker. Don't finish. Oh, now help us you. The sufferness way drivers the suffer. Today is 7 days. We are here. This is Enugu Nsukka Expressway. Huh? Our federal government in here. Now we they kill ourselves so. That's the Siamo. This one a trailer we carry cement 9 days there so. The four then transload that 9 days they load so now. Siamo. See the depth of this place, don't chop one trailer complete. As you can see. Now trailer there inside pit like this so. Look at the depth of this road. This is the depth of this road. My truck there inside so. A cement there for ground like this so. Cement. Nigeria, we don't die. Our leaders now God just carry when I go put them on and enjoy ourselves. One day now when I go use and go hang on ourselves die. We don't go do any bad thing no. After when I rule finish, chop the money, enjoy ourselves. When I go use and hang on ourselves die. When I see suffer where they suffer. When I do budget, they carry the money put for pocket. Every year when I go do budget for each road, when I carry the money put for pocket. When I go chop the money, enjoy, enter motorway cost 150 million. But when I go use and hang on myself, die. Now, senators, they said they won't buy motor for them. One motor, 150 million. That 150 million never fill this place. Look, just look at what people they suffer here. More on a sea road. This is road. This is federal road. Enugu Nsukka Expressway. Our Nigerian leaders, if what you people are doing is good for God, it's good for us. But if it is not good for God, let God judge you people. You people will use your hand and kill yourself. We will not fight you people, but you people will use your hand and kill yourself. Immediately now, look when I see them. Just look at people. Okay. Well, okay. Senators, well, they won't buy motor 150 million for senators. Look at people here. Are we not the same human being? Are we not the same human being? But some people are special than others. Look at suffering. Look at road. Just look at people. Some are here 5 days. Some are here 7 days. Some are here 3 days. Look at road. Our senators make a tell una go use una hang on herself. All of una will commit this crime finish. Later use una hang on herself. Any person will cry for una, that person will kill himself also. Any person will cry for any leader for this country, that person will use his hand kill himself because that person a witch. Any person wey cry for any politician wey die, that person lion suppose chop am because that person no be human being. More una see am. Who go suffer this kind of suffer tomorrow? As I dey so I no dey vote. I no get voters card. I don't know how they take vote. I make that choice right from when I small. Up to today, I no get voters card. I no get anything. I need to vote. I need to go where they vote. Because you vote, you no vote, what thing they want to do, now they go do. Do you know that Eastern State Government, Eastern as East Day, they get their senators, get the House of Rep, get governors. But this money for this road, they enter their pocket.